what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Gayatri Bamnani. I create videos on beauty, fashion related content with some education content. Today, as you know, this is the unboxing day of my CS modules. As I am pursuing CS and I am in the executive, I have cleared CSEET. If you want videos related to CSEET and about CS, let me know in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's get started to our video. As you know, today is the unboxing day, so let's start the unboxing. These are my modules which I have received. So quickly let's unbox it. I don't know you can see or not, but these are really very heavy. So let's get started. This cartoon has become really chithada kind of. These books are sent to us from Noida, Delhi. So it takes almost 45 days to 1 month to deliver it to your home. So don't waste your time as your results are declared of CS entrance test. So let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside it. These are the books of both the modules. So basically we have two modules, means two groups. We have to give paper in two groups, or we can give in one group also, in one attempt also, like both groups. So choice is yours. Like in one group there are 4 subjects and in another group there are 4 subjects. There are total 8 subjects. So in first group there are 4 subjects, which are first group is JIGL, Prudence, Interpretation and Journal Laws. In this we can learn like journal laws and jurisdiction of the companies and all. This is the paper 1 of module 1. And then we have the second paper of module number 1, which is company law, which is the main motto of CS executive. This is the main book which we have to study in executive exams. This is so big, like see, so big. Then we have third paper, which is SBEC, which is setting up of business entities and its closure. In this, like, we study about the how to incorporate company, how to run the company and its closure, like its provisions and its closure, everything in this. Fourth, we have tax laws. In this is an MCQ based subject and it is a practical subject. In this we study tax laws like income tax, GST, direct tax, indirect tax, everything in this. These are the books of first group, which means module number 1. If you are giving one group in one attempt, you have to study these 4 books for a one attempt. Then we have second module, which is paper number 5, corporate and management accounting. This we study accounting and corporation of companies, like how companies work, how their accounts are. We all study in this. This is paper number 5 of module number 2. Then we have paper number 6, which is securities law and capital markets. This is like shares and all related. In this subject we study all about shares and how they work in the company. It's all about that. So we called it SLCM. This is paper number 6, module number 2. Then we have paper number 7, which is economic, business and commercial laws. In this we study all commercial laws, which are like social laws, which we follow like in every day to day of company, like labor related and all. This is EBC. We called it as EBC. This is paper number 7, module number 2. Then we have FSM. We called it Financial and Strategic Management. This is paper number 8 of module number 2. In this we have FSM, EBC, SLCM and CMA as 4 subjects for module number 2. In this module number 2 we have 2 MCQ based subjects which are both practical, and which are practical subjects are taken as MCQ subjects. So this was my unboxing video. If you guys like this video, please like, comment and share this video, and please do subscribe my channel. Click on the notification bell. Let me know in the comment section down that which videos you want me next to create, like beauty related, education, lifestyle, or whichever your demand is. I will post that video next. For more updates, you can follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat accounts mentioned in the description box. Until next, lots of love.